Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, everyone. My name is Annalyn P. Adibion. I'm 28 years old. I have one child at 6 years old. I'm second in the family, one brother and one sister. I am a born again,
What is your marital status?
single parent.
Single parent. Who will look for your child if you're going to Hong Kong?
My mother,
Your family allows you to go abroad. What is your educational attainment?
high school graduate.
Do you have an experience before as a helper?
In the Philippines,
For how long?
2 years.
2 years. How many members of the family did you serve?
4 members.
Who are the 4 members here?
One couple and 2 kids.
How old the kids?
4 and 8.
And what is your duties as a helper?
I will cook their foods, washing their clothes, and I will went to the market.
You clean the house?
Yes,
Okay. How many times you go to market in a week? In a week, how many times you go to market?
2 weeks.
Twice a week.
Yes,
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong? What's the reason you want to work in Hong Kong now?
to my family,
And how long you want to work in Hong Kong?
as long
How long you
as long my employer
needs you? So you
needs
will
my
work.
service.
Okay, so as long your employer needs you, you will work with them?
Yes,
Okay. Are you afraid of any pet? And are you willing to look for a newly born baby in Hong Kong? Are you willing to look for a newly born baby in Hong
yes,
Kong? Are you willing to accept job order? There's a grandparents in the house.
yes,
Okay. Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
yes.
Your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
To my future employer, mom and sir, please do hire me, and I will do my responsibility and hard working.
Okay. Thank you very much. HL 2132.